Ever wanted to plug your consciousness directly into the Matrix? I'm not talking about some random dream you barely remember. I am talking about going from lying in your bed to soaring through the cosmos in just 10 to 20 minutes, all while staying completely aware. This is wild, or wake-induced, lucid dreaming, and it's the fastest, most vivid way to control your dreams. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to master it tonight using 3 core phases. First, we need to understand the magic hour of sleep. This is your deepest REM stage, and it's our target. This brings us to phase 1, the golden opportunity. This is all about strategy. Tonight, go to bed like you normally would, but set an alarm for 6 hours later. The whole point is to wake yourself up right before your longest and most intense dream cycle of the night begins. When that alarm goes off, the next step is crucial. You need to achieve what I call controlled alertness. Sit up, get out of bed, and keep yourself aware, but not overstimulated. For about 20 to 30 minutes, you could drink a glass of water, maybe read a few pages of a book. But whatever you do, absolutely no phone. The blue light from your screen will completely ruin all your preparation. The goal here is simple. Your body should feel tired and ready for more sleep, but your mind should stay alert and hungry for consciousness. After about half an hour, it's time for phase 2, the battle of stillness. Go back to bed and lie down in whatever position is most comfortable for you. Now, get ready for the real test. Your mission is to let your body fall asleep while your mind stays wide awake. To do this, you need an anchor. This anchor is your thread to the waking world. It can be anything simple and repetitive. Focus all of your attention on the feeling of your breath going in and out, the gentle hum of a fan in your room, or the steady rhythm of your own heartbeat. Pick one and pour your complete focus into it. This is your anchor of consciousness. Now comes the test of your willpower. You must lie completely motionless. I mean it. Your body is going to test you. You'll suddenly get an urge to scratch an itch, to roll over, or just to twitch a finger. These are just your brains, little checks to see if you're really asleep. You have to resist every single one of them. Your patience is your greatest weapon here. Every urge you overcome brings you one step closer to your goal. Don't fight the urges. Just observe them and let them pass, always returning your focus to your anchor. Once you've won the battle of stillness, you'll start to enter phase 3, crossing the gateway. As your body begins to enter sleep paralysis, your brain is going to put on one last show for you. This is called the hypnagogic state. It can be intense, but it's the ultimate sign that you're on the verge of success. You need to learn to accept the signs. You might feel strong vibrations buzzing through your body. You might hear strange sounds, like whispers, buzzing, or even loud bangs. You might see flashes of light or swirling, jumbled patterns behind your closed eyelids. Whatever happens, the key is to remain calm. Do not get scared, and do not get excited. Either emotion will snap you right out of the state and wake you up. Stay calm. Keep your mind clear, and hold on tight to your anchor. These sensations are just the gateway opening up. And then, it happens. The transition. After a few moments of this sensory chaos, everything will suddenly become clear and stable. You'll find yourself in a scene. It might be your bedroom, or it could be somewhere completely new. At this very moment, you must perform a subtle reality check. Without moving your real mouth, try to breathe in through your tightly closed lips. If you can feel air flowing in, congratulations. You have officially entered a lucid dream. You've done it. You've plugged into the Matrix. Your physical body is resting safely in bed, but your consciousness is now free. You've become the director of your own personal universe. Want to fly? Just will it, and you will lift off the ground. Want to teleport to Paris? Just imagine it, and you'll be standing in front of the Eiffel Tower. You can create anything, talk to Enyorne, and experience your wildest fantasies. The wild technique delivers the longest and most vivid lucid dreams possible. Yes, it requires patience and a bit of practice, but the reward is absolute freedom, the power to explore the limitless world of your own mind. So, give it a try. Practice it. Find the balance that works for you, and stop being just a passive audience to your dreams. It's time to take control. If you're ready to master your dreams and explore your inner universe, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides just like this. And I'd love to hear from you. So share your own wild experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.